Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Tangem wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Then tap on the search button and now type in Tangem wallet to begin your search. Once you find the Tangem crypto wallet, you can tap on it and you will have the information of the application. If you scroll down, you can also find reviews that have been left by users. Tap on the install button to begin the installation, and you will need to wait until the download process is completed. You can also tap on the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the application when the installation is done. Once you open up the application, you will be asked to allow access. Then when you tap on get started, you can either log in with your existing wallet or sign up to create a new one. If you have a hardware wallet, you can proceed with the first option or tap on start with mobile wallet if you want to create your account or log into one. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Tangem wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.